In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the no delivery available error at checkout on Shopify. This error usually appears when Shopify can't find any valid shipping option for your customer's address. That often comes down to a few settings: shipping zones, shipping rates, product shipping options, or market availability. I'll walk you through each of these so you can get your checkout working smoothly again. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the lower left corner, click on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings page, look at the left-hand panel and find Shipping and Delivery. Then click on that. This is where all of your main shipping configurations live. At the top of the Shipping and Delivery page, you'll see an area for general shipping rates. Go ahead and click that to open your main shipping profiles and zones. Now scroll down until you see the section called Shipping Zones. Shipping zones tell Shopify where you can ship to. You need to make sure that your customer's country or region is included in at least one of these zones. If it isn't, that's a common reason for the no delivery available message. If the country or region is missing, you have two options. You can click Add Shipping Zone to create a new one, or you can edit an existing zone. To edit an existing zone, look to the right side of that zone for the three horizontal dots, which is the More Options button. Click it and select Edit Zone from the drop-down. A pop-up will open where you can change the zone's name and, most importantly, add the customer's country or region if it's not already there. When you're done adjusting this, click Done at the bottom right of the pop-up. Next, you need to make sure there is at least one shipping rate set up for that zone. Without a rate, the zone exists, but Shopify still can't offer delivery. If there's no rate, click Add Rate. A pop-up will open where you can choose the rate type, either a flat rate, which is a fixed cost, or a carrier or app calculated rate, which pulls prices from a shipping carrier or app. If you're creating a custom flat rate, give it a clear name so customers understand what it is, and you can also add a short delivery description, like an estimated delivery time. Then set the shipping price and choose the correct currency. If you want this rate to apply only to certain orders, you can click Add Conditions to base it on item weight or order price. Set the minimum and maximum values as needed, then click Done at the bottom right of the pop-up. When all your rates look correct, click Save at the top near the search bar to apply your changes. After that, exit the settings area and go back to your main admin sidebar. Click on Products, then select one of your products. In the product editor, scroll down until you see the shipping section. Make sure that the option marking it as a physical product is toggled on. If this is turned off, Shopify may not try to calculate shipping for it. If you change this, click Save at the top. Repeat this check for your other products, especially those included in the test order where you saw the error. Finally, look again at the left-hand panel and click on Markets. Here, Shopify organizes where you sell. Select the relevant market and make sure that it is set to active. If it's inactive, customers in that region won't be able to check out properly. Change it to active, then save your changes. Once you've checked your shipping zones, added at least one rate, confirmed that your products are physical and shippable, and made sure your markets are active, try a test checkout using a customer address from that region. In most cases, the no delivery available error should now be resolved, and your customers will see valid shipping options at checkout.